Good morning, students. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the formula making. Formula making is very important topic in chemistry, students. Before telling the formula making, how we can make the formula, before that we need some cation and anion, because ionic compound is formed by the transfer of their ions. So cations and anions we have discussed already. So here today I will provide you the list of cations and anions. Okay, students. So today's topic is formula making. Before starting the chapter, here first of all I am giving the list of monovalent electropositive. Monovalent electropositive. You can write in your notebook monovalent electropositive. Monovalent means valency only one हो, और electropositive means valency positive हो, valency plus one. It means here you are given the list of ions which have plus charge only. So here I have prepared for you a list. You can learn it. First I start with the NH4. NH4 means ammonium. This is, students, ammonium. You can write it ammonium. So this is ammonium, and ammonium NH4, it has got only one plus charge. So this is your plus charge. NH4 plus charge. So for the ammonium, NH4 plus. Next, students, your silver, that Ag, it has got plus charge. So this is silver. This is silver ion. This you know already. I can write here, this is silver ion. After that, students, copper, Cu, it has got variable valencies. In valency variations are there in copper. It has got two valency, plus 1 and plus 2. So here I write Cu plus 1. Cu plus, it means plus only, means plus 1. If only plus sign is there, it means it is plus 1. So here Cu plus, it means copper has got plus 1 valency. If valency is 1, then you have to write cuprous. So this is cuprous ion. Cuprous. This is cuprous ion. This is, students, cuprous ion. So here you will write cuprous. Because of only one valency, we will write here Cu plus, that is cuprous. If valency are plus 2. If valency is plus 2, then we will say it cupric, because copper has got variations in the valencies. Next students, lithium, Li, this I told you in the list also, it has got one positive valency, so here Li plus. And next students, your sodium, it has got Na plus 1. So Na has got sodium valency is plus 1. So here one positive sign. So Na plus means sodium cation, silver cation, ammonium cation, cuprous, lithium cation. After that, we will talk about potassium. Potassium also has got Ka plus, means potassium cation, only plus charge is there because it has plus 1 valency. Okay students, after that mercury, it has got also variations in the valency. So first we are talking Hg plus, it means this is mercurous. This is mercurous. If valency is 1, it means this is mercurous. If valency is 2 here, Hg plus 2, then it is mercuric. So here copper plus 1 charge is there, it means valency is less, that's why it is cuprous. If valency 2 is there, you will say it cupric. Here in copper, I am writing with the star. Here copper has got variations in the valency. Here mercury also has got variations in the valency. These variations valency you have to learn very carefully students. So students, here we have discussed the main this your monovalent electropositive. It is monovalent. Mono means single, only one, valent means valency. जिसकी सिंगल वैलेंसी हो और वो भी पॉजिटिव वाली हो, दैट इज नोन एज मोनोवैलेंट इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव आयंस. So these are monovalent electropositive ions. This list I have told you, like that ammonium, after that this your silver, after that your cuprous, after that your lithium plus, after that your sodium, then potassium, and then mercurous. So it was about the monovalent electropositive ions, and now we will see after mono. Now we will discuss having positive 2 means plus 2 valency, and this is known as divalent electropositive. So here in place of mono, here I am going to write divalent. Divalent means having 2 valency. Divalent electropositive. Divalent electropositive. First we are talking about the positive valency only. That's why it is divalent electropositive. So now we are talking about divalent electropositive ions. So divalent electropositive ions, it means having 2 plus charge on an atom. It means it is in the form of ions. So we have discussed before, earlier we have discussed now only about the monovalent electropositive ions, having plus 1 charge, that over, and now we are going to start about the divalent. Here students, di means 2, mono means single 1, and di means 2. Here di word is for 2 only, so here 2 plus valency, 2 positive valency. So here some elements are there that has got plus 2 charge on it. So we start with the next is, so silver I told you that silver has got variations in valency. Silver has got plus 1 also and plus 2 also. So here Ag plus already we have done. Okay. And now this is plus 2 charge. So you have to write 2 plus. So silver has got variations in the valency. Copper has got variations in the valency. And mercury has also got variations in the valency. Okay, so silver has got variations, copper has got variations, mercury has got variations. Next students, barium. You know that barium is metal and barium is very important, this element. So symbol for barium is, you know already, this is Ba, barium, and barium has got 2 plus charge over it. So divalent barium is divalent electropositive element. So it is silver Ag2 plus, barium 2 plus. After barium, here calcium is there, that Ca. Students, calcium atomic number 20. 1 to 20, that valency we have discussed already. So no need to tell about the calcium. You have to learn calcium's 2 positive charge over it. So valency of calcium 2 plus means plus 2 charge valency. Plus 2 valency is shown by calcium. Plus 2 valency shown by barium. So barium, calcium and silver in some special cases. Otherwise silver we take only one, but in some cases. Next is copper. Earlier in the first case in monovalent electropositive we have discussed that Cu plus, and here again Cu2 plus. It means copper has got plus 1 valency and copper has got plus 2 also, because of the variations in the valency. So this is cupric. This is cupric ion, students. This is cupric ion, and that was cuprous ion. So that was, if valency plus 1, it was cuprous, and if plus 2 is there, then cupric. If valency less comparatively, then you have to write as a this suffix as, and if valence is more comparatively, then as a suffix you have to write ik. Okay, so here cupric valency 2. So if valency copper has got 1 valency, you can cuprous. If valency is 2, then cupric. Next students, iron Fe. This iron has got 3 valency, plus 1 valency, plus 2 valency, plus 3 valency. Earlier in the first, in monovalent electropositive ions, we have shown here in the case of iron, iron has also got variations in the valency. So students, here iron has got 2 plus, so this is 2 plus charge. So iron, you know, Latin name is iron ferrous. So if valence is 1, we will be saying ferrous, and if valence is plus 2, then we will be saying ferric. Okay students, so here variations are there in case of iron also. Okay, so many variations are there, so you have to learn very carefully this one. After that students, magnesium. Symbol for magnesium is Mg, and Mg has also got 2 positive ion. This is fixed only, no variations. Magnesium has got plus 2 valency, so 2 positive charge will come over magnesium. After that students, next is one more, that is mercury. In that first case in monovalent electropositive, I told you about the mercury. So here in 2 divalent electropositive ions is also mercury. here mercury show here plus 1 charge and 2 plus charge also shown by mercury. So that mercurous, if plus 1 charge is there, you will say mercurous, and if plus 2 charge is there, you will say mercuric. So that mercurous and here mercuric. So this is very special case. This your mercury, this your copper, and this your iron. These are very important. Okay, students. So copper has got three type of this in variations. Three valencies are there. So copper has got your iron has got iron only. I am talking that iron plus that plus 2 also, and that plus 3 also. In iron we have got very variations in the valency, and copper that we have discussed that Cu plus and Cu2 plus, and mercury also Hg plus and Hg2 plus. After that, students, nickel is there. Nickel, that symbol for the nickel is Ni, and nickel has also got 2 positive ions. So valency for nickel is also plus 2 valency shown by nickel. After that, students, lead, that palladium, that this symbol for lead is Pb, and Pb also shows 2 plus charge because it is having the valency of positive 2 valency. So lead, this is lead Pb 2 plus. Okay, students, and next is your zinc. This is very important. In many reactions we will be using this zinc, so don't forget it. So zinc has also got 2 positive charge. So here I am writing 2 plus. So this is the full list for divalent electropositive ions. So students, this you have to learn. Without learning, you will face the problem in formula making. Maybe that your formula will be wrong if you learn a wrong valency. Valency should be very correct. Valency should be right in the correct position. Otherwise, your formula will go wrong. Okay, students. So we have discussed about the monovalent electropositive ions and divalent electropositive ions. And wherever the variations are there, I have told you already. In variations, I told you variations that I told you that your copper has got variations. Copper in variations are there. After that, mercury has got variations in the valency. After that, iron has got variations in the, and silver also. But silver we use very less. Especially in case of silver, in most of the cases, we use only plus 1 valency for the silver. But these three, this Cu, then Hg, then iron, and then your silver. So copper has got here plus 1 and plus 2 here copper. Mercury plus 1 and plus 2. And students, iron plus 1 plus 2 and plus 3. Iron can make 3 types of oxide. Like that, iron first oxide, iron second oxide, iron third oxide. So like this we can write, if more than one valencies are there, for that I have told you, if suppose that 2 valencies are there, if one is 1 and other is the 2. So for that one is the less. So for 1 we have to add a suffix like that us, and if valence is more like that, if valency 2 is there, so we have to add a suffix is ic. Okay, so this us and ic. Okay, students, like that mercurous, mercuric, like that ferrous, ferric, like that cuprous, cupric. So it was divalent electropositive ions. And now students, next we are moving towards trivalent now. Now trivalent, trivalent, tri means three, trivalent electropositive. We are talking only electropositive valency. So trivalent electropositive ions. We have discussed about the monovalent electropositive ions. After that, divalent electropositive ions. And finally, we are discussing about the trivalent electropositive ions. So students, these are very important for you. You have to learn it anyhow. Okay students. So in trivalent electropositive ions, for your syllabus, I am talking especially in 9th class, 3-4 are enough. Though many are there for higher classes, but for your classes, 3 elements I am writing here. Like that students, most important, that is aluminium. Aluminium symbol Al, and in previous video I have told you that atomic number of aluminium is 13. So valency of aluminium will be +3. So aluminium has got 3 plus charge. So here I am writing 3 positive charge. So this aluminium is very important. Don't forget it. No variations in the valency. Only aluminium has got only single valency, that is +3, means it is trivalent electropositive ion. And next students, if you talk about that iron, I told you that iron has got 3 valencies. Especially this iron is very important. Iron shows +1, iron shows +2, iron also shows +3. So here I am writing this iron third. Now you will say, sir, that for if valency +1 is there, you are saying that you have to write us. Okay. If valency 2 is there, we will see it ic, means ferric. If 1 is there, then ferrous. If 2 is there, then ferric. So now what about this valency 3? जब वैलेंसी 3 आ रही है यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव, तो सर हम क्या कहेंगे? क्या इनकी मिक्सिंग कर देंगे? क्या हम अस और इक को एक साथ लिख देंगे? तो फिर क्या करेंगे? फिर इसलिए इसके लिए स्टूडेंट्स आपको थर्ड वर्ड यूज करना है. ठीक है? लाइक दैट आयरन ऑक्साइड इज देयर. सो फॉर द आयरन ऑक्साइड, like that here I am writing like that Fe2O3. So in this case, if you see here, if interchanging the valency, here iron has got 3 valency and oxygen has got 2 valency. It means यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी स्टूडेंट्स कितनी है? 2 है. ठीक है, वो है तो नेगेटिव बट 2 है. ठीक है, ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी है -2 है. इलेक्ट्रो नेगेटिव आयंस है ये. और यहाँ पे आयरन शो कर रहा है स्टूडेंट्स 3 वैलेंसी, और आयरन इज बीइंग ए मेटल, डेफिनेटली इट विल शो पॉजिटिव वैलेंसी. So here +3 valency. Here +3 valency is shown by iron. So if valency is 3, then you have to write first this is, if general name of this Fe2O3, this is iron, and after that valency 3, then you will write iron third, and then you will write O for oxide. So it is iron third oxide. Okay students, so in today's we have discussed this monovalent electropositive ions, divalent electropositive ions, and trivalent electropositive ions. And wherever the variations are there, the thing has been told to you. Okay students, now the list of electropositive ions is over. So that main monovalent electropositive ions, divalent electropositive ions, and trivalent electropositive ions we have discussed. Now you have to learn. After that, now students, we have to learn about electronegative ions. Electronegative ions. Now I will provide you the list of electronegative ions. We are sorting that, we are running shortage of the time, but no problem students. We will be continue with this topic at least one or two videos. After that, we will start from the starting. So students, let's start with the monovalent. Now monovalent electro, that was positive, here electronegative. Monovalent electronegative. Monovalent electronegative ions. Here I am writing ions. Here once again students, mono means single, valent means valency, only plus valency. Monovalent means only single valency. Electronegative ions means it should be in minus. Negative valencies are there. Minus, they show the valency in minus. And in that previous cases that we have done, they show the valency in positive way. It means all they lose the electrons. And here all the elements are group of, you can say that, these ions. Okay, so here ions may be that for the single elements or maybe for the group. Let us see. First we start with the from easy we start. Like the students here, bromine, and if bromine has got any kind of charge, then we can't say bromine. Then we have to say, because it is in ions form, it is now bromide. If bromide is there, we will write one negative charge over it. So bromine, element is bromine, but it is ion now because it has got negative charge over it. So now it is bromide. So students, it is bromide. So bromide has got one negative charge. After that students, chloride, that Cl, then negative charge, and we will write its chloride. So chloride Cl minus means minus one valence is there. After that, I minus one negative charge. This is for iodide. So it is iodide. Okay students, so bromide, chloride, iodide, and next is fluoride. So this is F negative sign, spelling FluorIde. It is actually fluorine atom, but being ion, it is fluoride. So bromide, chloride, iodide, chloride, all they have got one negative valences. Okay students, and now some more are there, so many are there. After that students, we will be talking some special cases like that acetate, ACETATE, acetate. So that you have to write CH3COO, CH3COO, and here negative ion. Acetate also show one negative valency. So here on acetate ion, we will write minus charge only. This is acetate ion. This is not acetate, this is acetate ion. Next students, nitrate, nitrate, nitrite and nitrite, three are there. So for nitrate we have to write NO3. This is for nitrate, nitrate. So dear students, tomorrow in the next video we will be discussing monovalent electronegative ions and divalent electronegative ions and trivalent electronegative ion. So today this is enough. Thank you.